Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have an Ulta Beauty unboxing. So they were having a sale. Actually, they might still be having it. So you might check it out at Ulta.com. And if you spent 60 bucks, you got free shipping. So that wasn't too hard to do. So I did that. And then one thing already came, but it came in a separate box today, so that was kind of weird that it wasn't in this box, but I have it still down here so that I can show you. So let me just start taking some things out. Now these are mostly Christmas presents. Oh, so I can't fit it all over there. All right. So I'm just going to put the other one here. All right, so first let's look at this. This looks like a whole free sample thing. Holy shamoly. Talk beauty to me. Holy cow, is this for real? So there is no makeup foundation serum with an SPF 20 in the color beige. Oh my goodness. Look how cool this is. That's kind of fun. I don't know that I want to open it yet though, because I don't know if I will use it or if I'll give it to my daughter. But I am loving it. Oh no, how'd this go in there? Right there. That is really cool. I'm like dumbfounded. This is like a rubbery plastic bag. And it did ask you if you wanted something free, and I said yes, but I had no idea it was going to be like this. Holy cow, this is amazing. So this is a Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, and you could pick your shade, and I picked medium. So here are different shades actually. Good things happen when you're naked. 50 shades, 9 shade intensities, 3 master tones, 7 undertones. Wow. So that's pretty cool. I guess it's a trial. And Lancome. Oh. Very neat. Bare Minerals. Wow. 16-hour full coverage concealer. Performance wear liquid foundation. I don't know if there's like enough in these to use for a day or not, but it's kind of cool. And then this is powder foundation. And this one is Becca First Light Priming Filter, and then 3 different colors of foundation. 20% off of it. Ooh, some makeup remover facial towelettes on the go cleansing. Airbrush Essentials, great brushes give you great skin. Your exclusive gift. I don't know what this means. Well, it's empty. My exclusive gift was nothing. Very interesting. And it had a silica gel, so maybe somebody took it out. Oh, maybe this was it. This must have been it. Because that looks like that. Oh my goodness. So I got an it brush. Oh my word. I was all saying, well, that's funny, but how awesome is that? And then some NARS. Wow. Oh, wow. Select your perfect shade of foundation and then find your corresponding shade of concealer. Well, how nice. This is a heck of a free sample. And here's Tarte Face Paint Foundation, Face Tape Foundation. That's an interesting name. It's a squirty bottle. That is amazing. And then there's even one more, It Cosmetics CC Cream, which is actually what I use in the color medium. I love this stuff, and it looks like this is like a little sample. How nice. I mean, that's a nice sample too. That will give you some uses. You could take that on vacation, and probably that's all I'd need for a week. How nice. I am so impressed. That is a heck of a deal. Free. Not even a deal. That's a heck of a steal. Okay, so my daughter went crazy over a Morphe palette, and I don't remember who it was, but I like watching some people on YouTube, and I've heard a couple people talk about this, and they aren't makeup people, but well, they wear nice makeup, but they're not like makeup beauticians or whatever, cosmetologists or anything. But and I have seen Jaclyn Hill on YouTube too, and she is extremely pretty, and she, I think, is the one that like can make herself totally look like Snow White, or I mean like a Disney character or whatever. It's amazing. I want to be careful because I want to be able to put this back in there, I hope. But I also want to show you guys because I want to see it too. Oh, maybe I can just, oh yeah, just take it out. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. And this is it. This palette is dedicated to all my lovely subscribers, loving subscribers. And it is really pretty. There's about every color you could possibly need, I would think. And I like how some of them look like they're matte, and some of them are kind of metallic, and some of them are glittery. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Very pretty. So what I was saying was she has one of these, I don't remember who it is, Jeffree Star or something like that maybe, and she was, or Charles, James Charles, I think. She loves it. And so I thought that she might like this one too. I don't know if she knows Jaclyn Hill or knows of her or any of that. I'm not sure. But I know that I think she's beautiful and she does a great job. So if this is her palette, I think it'll be neat. And I think Katie will like this underneath the Christmas tree. And, oh, this was in the freebie. These two things are mine. So I got this Wet n Wild one, and it is in the color Black is the New Black. And it's Liquid Catsuit Mega Last Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, I have an Ulta one that is more of a grayish color, and I love it. But they no longer carry it. So I was trying to find something like it, and it kind of was like this. Looks kind of like a lip gloss, and it's not quite this color. This is a little blacker, but I love this color. And I did this earlier, so I've already tried it once, but when I, like if I took my brush and kind of, that's even better. That is perfect for me. I love the dark, like blackish, kind of grayish color. So that just looks really pretty, and I love the sparkle. So I'm kind of excited about that one. And this one is called Gunmetal. And I am excited to try it too, I think. Goodness. I got the other one open with no problem, but that's because I wasn't on camera doing it. Now that I'm being watched, I can't do it. All right. So this one is the same thing, liquid catsuit. And I was looking at some of the others because I just looked up liquid eyeshadow at first. And I found one that I really liked it. It was like 22 bucks, the color. And I thought, oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I love it. This one is very close to the Ulta one. Oh my gosh. Yes, I am a happy girl. Those are both really pretty. So anyway, I was looking and there was one brand and I don't even remember what it was. I think it was Stella, or I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And it looked kind of like these, and they had a dark color, and I thought, oh, that's really pretty. But it was $22 or $24, and I really didn't want to spend that much on one eyeshadow that I didn't even know if I liked, if it was the right color, and I'm going, oh my gosh. So then I thought, you know what, I wonder if anybody else has any. So I searched liquid eyeliner, or liquid eyeshadow, and then I searched by low cost to high cost, and these were like $5 and something. So that is my price range. And it was neat that the comments underneath, I don't know which one of the colors, was that it's a dupe for that other one that I was looking at. So I was like, oh well, great. Then I found this. It's another eyeshadow palette. Katie really likes to play with her eyeshadow, and so I don't know, I'm kind of going crazy with them, but this one was like $6. Essence Spice Up Your Life eyeshadow palette, and I thought it was really pretty for fall. Pumpkin spice, cha-cha sriracha, hot chili, mulled wine. So I think I'm gonna send this to her early and not give this to her at Christmas, but give it to her more Thanksgiving-ish, because it sounds more like Thanksgiving, or like, it doesn't sound like Thanksgiving, but it sounds more like fall. Wild pepper, habanero, honey, caramelts, chai, maple, coco loco, vanilla bean, cayenne, my man, party time, curry in a hurry, spiced apple cider, cinnamon rolls. So yeah, it's just really pretty, and I think that she will like this. I hope. So that's for the chick. And then this was a a gift that I got. It was $29.99, $137 value, but it was $19.99, and I will take this price tag off. This is going to be for Katie as well. Now, she doesn't really need this because she has a beautiful makeup holder, but what girl would like this? I mean, heck. If she doesn't want it, I'll tell her to give it back to her mama, because I will use this somewhere, even if I didn't put my makeup in it. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So it has a mirror up here, and then it has lipsticks. There's liquid lipstick, matte, shiny, 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 shiny. So 2 mattes and 4 shinies. But how pretty are those? Like different shines. Some tissue. And then let's see what's inside here. Okay, so it's just an open spot. They had 2 makeup cases. I call them train cases. I don't know if you guys call them that, but they had 2 train cases. This one and then another one. And the other one I think had more makeup, but it was the same price. But because I was getting her the palettes, I didn't figure she needed the more makeup, and I really liked this case. So that's the reason I did this one. So it's empty on the inside, which is nice. It won't fit like the big Morphe palette, but it will fit this one. And it came with a little Ulta Beauty eyeshadow, and I think that this is blush. I don't really know, but there's that. I guess I could open it and see what it said. Oh no, it's taped, so I'm not going to get into it since it's a gift. Not that she would probably care, but... And then I think those are eyeshadows, because these are definitely eyeshadows, right? And then there's an eye primer and a pencil sharpener with a dual eyeliner and a dual lip liner. So there's rose and dusty mauve and brown and black. And this is the eye primer, and then all of these really pretty eye makeup colors. They are really pretty. There's one of my pretty blacks. That's beautiful. But I just don't wear a lot of these kind of colors, so I would maybe wear those 4. Maybe. So I don't really do a lot getting these things because I don't stray much from what I'm used to. But she's been really playing with makeup a lot and checking out different looks and just kind of having fun with it, which I never did as a kid. But how fun is that? That's awesome. So I'm encouraging that for her and helping her out by getting her some of these things. There's another woman on YouTube, Bailey Sarian, I think is her name, and she does, I found her because I like true crime videos, and she does a murder mystery Monday, makeup Monday, and she is amazing. She really does some neat looks. So you might check her out. And she uses all different kinds of, oh, there we go. All different kinds of makeups and like colors that I never would use. And I would feel like a total clown if I put on all that makeup, but she looks amazing. So this is kind of fun. I think that Katie will like it. So I'll put that back in there and I'll close this right back up so I can wrap it for her. Oh, it does tell you what's in here. 1 eyeshadow palette, 1 eyeshadow trio, a blush and bronzer duo, 2 matte liquid lips, 2 shiny liquids, 2 shiny lip glosses, 1 eyeshadow primer, 1 dual-ended liner, 1 dual-ended lip liner, and 1 pencil sharpener. So that's what everything was. So very nice. I think that my girl will like it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this maybe gave you some good ideas for maybe even presents, because I think that if you have a girl in your life, especially a young woman, Katie is going to be 22 pretty soon. So, you know, I think that she will really like this. Actually, her birthday is November 29th. Maybe I'll give this to her for her birthday. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.